Hoppa! That's it? One pop?
That was kind of stupid.
Oh my god. It smells like burnt eggs.
No, his name is George.
George McGee. Fiery George.
Fiery George.
Fiery George.
Fiery George McGee.
Compromises are fun. In case for you who can't see, there be a fuse in his brain. Okay, look. Zach's discovering matches.
Run! Oh my god!
It fell out of the tree.
The dog fell out of the tree!
Did you get that on camera?
I think so.
LOL.
Bring him over here. Oh my god!
How did that happen?
I think it exploded and came out his side.
Where? Damage?
Oh, now it smells like rotten eggs.
You the damage.
Alright, I'm gonna go throw this.
Oh, that smells horrible. Here is George McGee.
In the tiki room. Fiery George.
Fiery George McGee.
We're removing his eyes for firecracker optimum performance.
Yep, here are firecrackers. Okay, you could move it away.
Look, you can see inside of it.
Not really, but okay. And here are matches. And
I
here
can't cut out his
is...
eyes. They're thick underneath.
I don't
They
care.
got bases.
Just cut it out.
Eyeball from Fiery George.
There's his eyeball. Are we cutting out his eyes?
It could be my mom, and if it is my mom, I'm fucked.
Why? What time is it?
See, I don't play with matches. I'm a good guy.
What time is it?
We have to stop recording to tell what time
Stop
it is.
it! What are you
Fine.
putting in my hair?
Other eye.
Ready?
Okay.
Fuses are touching, so if you screw this up, no one loves you.
Run.
And Fiery George!
Oh, he fell down. Oh, now it smells like burnt eggs again.
Alright, we go. So, this is our baby. He is dead.
Before you go to the